Hi, my name is Jesus. I'm an accessibility QA tester at Plus QA. Today I'll be taking a look at the LEGO Braille set. If I take the time to look at the box, I notice right away there's Braille on the corner, which is unusual. It's very distinguished compared to like other LEGO sets. LEGO Braille Bricks. All right. I'm not sure if all LEGO sets have the QR code to scan, but this one does, and it's scan QR code to play. And there's a tactile square, so a blind person can bring up an iPhone or some other mobile device and scan the QR code, which is great, and they know exactly where to have the camera pointed. So that's fantastic. Let's see. 2 bags, 3 bags. That's a lot of bricks. All right, and we have the user guide. And oh, this is 1, 2 bases, platforms. All right, and the box is empty. Right now, it seems to be numbers, and I'm trying to. Okay, so there is a QR code here, another one. I'm not sure if it leads to the same website or a different one, but I'm assuming that's kind of where we find more info. But as it is right now, there's no more guide to it. It's just numbers here. So I'm not really sure without context with what's going on here. So I actually did go through I did scan the QR code and went to the LEGO pages for Braille activities. And I want to say the page is 85% accessible. There's definitely slides that one can go through and get an idea of different games that you can play. And there's also a video for each game. Unfortunately, the videos are not described for the blind, so without more context, I'm still a little bit lost. The only thing I can really do is to open up one of these bags and take Legos out and feel them. I'm going to pull this open and just... All right, we got a E or an I, descending dots to the right. I like the idea of these. Oh look, it's a letter A. What if I can spell my name? I am a dad, so I'm actually looking forward to playing with my son. I'm hearing impaired, so I get to learn Braille and kind of teach him Braille a little bit as he reads normally. A lot of books with both print and Braille, so we've been doing it that way for quite a while. Legos will kind of be an interesting addition to what I do now for playtime and reading time, I guess. Oh, here's a full Braille cell. 6 dots. Everything that's in Braille is based off of those 6 dots, every letter.